Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So today I have a brand new product with me. This is the 24 mantra organic turmeric powder. Yesterday only I received this product from 24 mantra. Thank you to 24 mantra for sending me the sample pack. So yeah, let's talk about the product description. It says this packet MRP, that is maximum retail price, is rupees 40, and for rupees 40 you'll be getting 100 grams of organic turmeric powder. So today I'll be testing the organic turmeric powder by 24 mantra for the first time. So right now I'm cooking few lentils, that is dal in Hindi. Currently I'm boiling the dal. This is RUPEE masoor dal.